Welcome to our tutorial for setting up our smart remote. Once you have unpacked and charged your remote, press and hold the button on the right until you see our logo. In a few seconds, you will see a burst of light. This indicates that the boot process has begun. Next, you will see a group of rings which signifies that the operating system is loading. After a few seconds, you will see the remote home screen. Swipe up from the bottom. On the bottom right, you will see a gold icon for the smart remote. Click on the icon. Next, you will see a page which gives permission to use the microphone. This is optional. If you want to use voice control, then click the toggle button on. Next, confirm your choice by clicking Confirm in the lower right-hand side of the screen. Next, you will be prompted to add the smart remote icon to the home screen. We recommend that you do this. Click Add automatically. This will bring you to the options for configuring your Wi-Fi and exiting the app. Here you want to configure your Wi-Fi, so click the top button. On the Wi-Fi screen, you will see a toggle button in the off state. Click it on to see the networks available to you. Select your network from the list. You will be prompted to enter your password. Enter it. Once you enter your password, go down to the Advanced Options drop-down. Under Proxy, select None. Next, under IP Settings, select Static. Next, type in the IP address for your remote. Once you enter it, the rest of the information will populate automatically. Check to make sure all your information is correct and click Connect. Now click the back button using the hard button on the remote. When you complete the Wi-Fi connection page, you will come to Server Connection Options. In the upper right, you should see the Wi-Fi icon in green. If it is not green, you are not connected to your Wi-Fi. You will have to go back and try again. If it is green, then you can proceed. At the top, there are 3 server options. This is for when you want to use your remote in different locations. You can set up to a maximum of 3 locations. To start, let's select number 1. Under Connection Name, enter a name of your choosing that identifies what location you are using. Next, enter the IP address for your server. In the client name field, you will automatically see the name of remote followed by a random number between 1 and 9. You can use the name that is automatically generated or enter one of your choosing. This will be the name of your remote. I am going to enter the name of my remote, which is SR1. The last field is the project name. This field will automatically say SmartRemote. This name should not be changed as it is the default folder for the SmartRemote files. Next, if you want the remote to automatically use the server connection when it starts up, make sure the default button is checked. Otherwise, you will have to choose the server connection and click Launch when you turn on the remote. Now once you have all the information correct, click the Save button. You will see a brief message in the upper left that lets you know your information has been saved. Finally, click the Launch button. At this point, the home page for the app should appear. When it does, you have successfully set up your remote. For additional information, please check out our support forums at elonus.com. If you found this video useful and informative, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel.